Beyond Winterfell, Sophie Turner and Kit Harington reunite in new Gothic horror film. Whispers of a Gothic horror reuniting my favorite Stark siblings felt too good to be true, until Kit Harington and Sophie Turner returned to period terror. Ever since the HBO fantasy series ended in 2019, the lead cast members have notably stepped back from the spotlight after receiving overnight acclaim. Now the Stark siblings are switching genres from period fantasy drama to period horror, particularly in the 15th century when the Wars of the Roses were in full bloom. While monarchs battle for the throne, there's also a deadly curse looming over the whole town. In the dreadful, Turner and Harington play lovers. Because they're so used to portraying siblings on Game of Thrones, the pair described their kissing scenes as rather nauseating, to say the least. "We get on set, and it's the first kissing scene, and we are both retching," Turner joked while speaking to Seth Meyers. "Like, really, it is vile. It was the worst. Another really bad moment in my career." Harington gushed over the opportunity to be reunited with his former co-star, as though no time had passed. "What was lovely is that we got on set together, and our friendship completely ignited again," the actor said. "It felt like being with family. It really did." Fans can check out the new horror film on February 20th, 2026. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's a trailer for the Gothic horror film yet. To stay up to date, be sure to follow the actors' Instagram accounts, @Sophiette and @Catharingtonig, for updates on the upcoming movie. Many fans took to the Entertainment Weekly Instagram comments on a post promoting the film to voice their excitement. "So excited to watch this! Can't wait to see Sophie and Kit together again." Their bond in GOT was amazing. Sansa and Jon's reunion was such a memorable scene where both actors lived in their roles. Hope to see GOT actors together in more projects. I couldn't agree more. I can't wait for this one to come out.